Hi, hello. I am Sumalata. Welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain 8th class Maths Chapter 2 Linear Equations in One Variable, Exercise 2.3, sixth question. Sixth question is given that solve simple equations. Few simple equations given, we need to solve, and from that we need to find out x value or whatever variable given we need to find out. Okay, here in this sixth question 11th bit I am going to explain, which is given 15 into x minus 1 plus 4 into x plus 3, which is equals to 2 into 7 plus x. This is a simple equation we need to solve. How we can? Let us simply multiply the given numbers. 15x minus 15, 15 ones are 15 plus 4x plus 4 3s are 12 is equal to 7 2s are 14 plus 2 into x 2x 15x. Okay, 15x plus 4x minus 2x. Write the variable terms one side, constant terms one side. Constant terms 14 here only. Here minus 15 will become plus 15 plus 12 will becomes minus 12. Why? Because I took the transpose of the term. Okay, so now 15 plus numbers we should add. 15x plus 4x 19x minus 2x is equals to 14 plus 15 29 minus 12. Okay, now do the subtraction. If you do the subtraction, you will get 17x, which is equals to, if you do the subtraction 12 from 29, you will get 17. Okay, x is equal to 17 divided by 17. Here multiplication, 17 and x both are in multiplication, so you will take the transpose of multiplication will gives the division. So 17 ones are 17, you will get x is equal to 1. Like this we should solve the given simple equation. Next, one more 12th bit, which is given simple expression. Now we need to multiply with the given numbers. 3 5s are 15z, this is a variable z here, minus 3 7s are 21 plus as it is 2 9s are 18z. Okay, plus into minus minus 2 11s are 22 is equals to, now right side, 4 8s are 32z minus 4 7s are 28 minus triple 11 as it is. Now plus numbers we should add, z variables plus plus. Okay, 15z plus 18z 33z. Okay, minus minus 21 minus 22, both are same symbols, we need to add, then we should keep that symbol only. 21 22 will gives 43, addition is equals to, here 32z as it is, minus 28 minus triple 11, both having same symbol means we should do addition. Whatever symbol is there we should do keep the same symbol. Minus is there means minus. Okay, so you will get 139. 33z minus, here listen, here not z, 32z which should take the transpose. Here, sorry for this mistake, actually we should take the variable terms one side, constant terms one side. So 33z transpose of plus 32 minus 32z, okay, is equals to minus 139 as it is. Transpose of minus 43 will becomes plus 43. Now 33 minus 32 z, only one z is equals to, if you do the subtraction both are having different symbols, so we need to do the subtraction. If you subtract 43 from 139, you will get 96. So greater number having minus symbol should keep minus 96. Z is equal to minus 96. Next simple equation, 8 into x minus 3 minus 6 into, minus of 6 minus 2x is equal to 2 into x plus 2 minus 5 into 5 minus 6. We need to multiply with given numbers. 8x minus 8 3 is a 24 minus 6 minus into minus plus 2x as it is. Now 2x plus 2 to the 4 minus 5 5 is the 25, minus into minus plus 5 into x 5x. Now plus 2x plus 2x, left side right side middle equal symbol is there. So whatever you are having left side right side terms same, we can do the cancellation simply. Okay, now remaining 8x, here both are having same symbol means we need to add 24 plus 6 30, whatever symbol is there same symbol we should write, which is equals to, here plus and minus both are different symbols means we need to do the subtraction. 24 if you do the 4 should do the subtraction from 25, you will get 21, so minus 21 plus 5x as it is. Now separate the terms, variable terms one side, constant terms one side. 8x transpose of plus 5x minus 5x is equals to, now transpose of minus 30 will become plus 30, here minus 21 as it is. Now if you do the subtraction you will get 3x is equals to 9, x is equal to 9 by 3, do the division you will get x is equal to 3. Next is 14th bit which is given this simple equation. Now 3n minus 12 plus 2 4s are 8n plus into minus minus 2 5s are 10, 5n plus 5 2s are 10 plus 16. Okay, now 11n. Okay, 3 plus 8 11, 12 10 22 is equal to 5n plus 26. Now 11n minus 5n is equal to 26, transpose of minus 22 plus 22. 6n is equal to 48 means 26 plus 22 48. Now n is equal to 48 by 6, 6 1s are 6 8s are 48. Okay, so n is equal to 8. Like this we can solve any given simple equation. Okay, I hope you understood. If I'm speed in explanation, once again you can watch the video, you can understand. If any doubt you can keep in comment section. Thank you.